Are you tired of expensive supplements that don't work? Barbara O'Neill discovered 8 true remedies using kitchen ingredients your body actually recognizes. Today, I'm sharing her complete system that helped thousands recover from chronic illness. Welcome back to Home and Haven Living, where we believe natural is best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Barbara O'Neill was a natural healer who helped thousands recover from chronic illness using only minerals and natural ingredients. Her 8 true remedies work because they address the root cause, mineral deficiency. Let's dive in. The 8 true remedies system. Number 1. Castor oil, the master remedy. Warm 2 tablespoons and massage over your liver area every night before bed. Use clockwise motions for 5 minutes. This penetrates deep tissue to detoxify and nourish cells. For acute conditions, apply warm compresses for 30 minutes. Number 2. Mineral-rich foods, your foundation. Start each morning with warm water plus 1/4 teaspoon unrefined sea salt. Eat mineral-dense foods, spirulina, nuts, seeds, seaweed, root vegetables. Your body needs 90 plus minerals daily. Most diets provide fewer than 30. Number 3. Fresh air and sunlight, natural medicine. Spend 20 minutes in morning sunlight daily. Practice 4-7-8 breathing. Inhale 4 counts, hold 7, exhale 8. This regulates your circadian rhythm and provides natural vitamin D. Number 4. Pure water, universal solvent. Test drinking water quality with simple strips. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses daily. Add lemon slices for natural enzymes and better mineral absorption. Your cells need clean water to flush toxins and transport nutrients. Number 5. Exercise and movement, lymphatic activation. Do Barbara's 5-minute morning stretch routine, neck rotations, shoulder rolls, bicycle legs, and deep breathing. Walking 20 to 30 minutes daily is optimal. It's gentle but consistent movement that pumps your lymphatic system. Number 6. Rest and sleep, body's repair mode. Keep bedroom at 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal sleep. Drink chamomile tea 30 minutes before bed. Try 2 ounces tart cherry juice. It contains natural melatonin. Sleep on your right side to aid digestion. Number 7. Temperance, moderation matters. Eliminate mineral robbers, refined sugar, processed foods, excess caffeine. Use the 80-20 rule. Healthy choices 80% of the time. Your body uses minerals to process what you consume. Number 8. Trust in divine power, mental emotional healing. Practice daily gratitude. Write 3 specific things you're thankful for. Use 4 to 7 to 8 breathing for stress relief. Forgiveness isn't for others, it's for your own health and healing. Here's how to start tonight. Apply castor oil to your liver before bed. Set out mineral salt water for morning. Open your bedroom window. Most people notice better sleep within 3 days, clearer energy by day 7, and dramatic improvements by day 21. Your body is a self-healing organism when you give it what it needs. These aren't expensive supplements. They're kitchen ingredients your body recognizes. Start small, start tonight, start healing. Subscribe to Home and Haven Living for more natural healing content inspired by Barbara O'Neill. Which remedy will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. True wellness begins at home, one simple remedy at a time.